Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 17th on a Thursday. And as you can see, the SPY here is still under pressure below the obviously the 20, the 10, and broke the 50 2 days ago, or yes, the day before yesterday. And then yesterday we had follow through. So uh, not a great environment for swing trading. This is where you take a cut back on your size, you take your quicker hits, maybe take profits a little bit sooner if you get your move, or don't feel like you have to do anything, honestly. But let's take a look at some setups today because I am seeing a few good ones out there. There are some stocks showing strength, and the first one on the list is this FSLY. Now this is kind of a earnings play, had a nice little pop and pulled back here and looking for, not buying high, not a market you want to buy highs in, but if something pulls back like this, maybe look for relative strength and a break of that 3-day high there. ANET, once again, setting up relative strength. You got it above all your key moving averages, looking for a break maybe above that 183 level. VTRS, earnings about a week ago, had about 3 days of up movement, and now you're kind of going sideways, consolidating above these moving average, bounced off the 10-period moving average. This is one where, I don't want to wait for it to get up here and chase it. So if I'm looking to buy this, I maybe be looking at that 1140, 1145 level. FRPT, another nice looking chart, earnings, blast, and consolidating. Key moving average here, the 10-period, we like to call the momentum line, is holding it up. And a few others on the list today, guys. But once again, keep it tight. It is kind of tough out there. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.